Hello students, in this video we are going to study residential electricity bill. Many of us don't know or understand all the details mentioned on the residential electricity bill except the amount to be paid. But as a consumer of electricity, we should know how the total amount is processed and calculated. So let us study the residential electricity bill. This is the front page of sample electricity bill. At the top, we have the month for which the bill is generated, which in this case is for the month of March 2020. Next, we can see the consumer number, consumer name and address printed in English as well as in local, state or district language, which in this case is Marathi. The billing unit mentioned indicates the division for which the bill is generated. For example, in Pune, we have divisions like Rastapet, Parvati, Kothurud, Hadapsar. This bill belongs to Vadgaon subdivision of Parvati division. Then consumer code is 90/LT RES 1 phase. Here 90/LT is tariff type. RES stands for residential and LT stands for low tension. This bill comes under single phase category. As this is residential bill, hence it comes under single phase category. The commercial and industrial bills comes under three phase supply category. Next, we shall understand the process cycle. The distribution of bill to the consumer is done according to this process cycle. This helps the bill collection center. The DTC stands for distribution code. Then meter number is mentioned. The maximum demand mentioned here is sanctioned demand from MSEDCL, Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited, to this consumer. Next are the current reading and previous reading of the meter. By subtracting the previous reading from current reading, we get the total units consumed for this month. Here is the record of consumption of electricity units for last 11 months. The due date of paying the bill is mentioned here. The consumer has to pay the bill before this date. This is all about front page. Now we shall see back page of electricity bill. The complete billing procedure is given here. The fixed rate is mentioned here. Even if the consumption is of 0 units or kWh, the consumer has to pay this fixed price amount. Here is the electricity rate chart. The bill is generated with the help of the price rate mentioned in this chart. For the range of 0 to 100 units consumed, price rate of rupees 3.05 per unit is to be applied. For the range of 101 to 300 units consumed, price rate of rupees 6.95 per unit is to be applied. That is, if 110 units are consumed by the consumer, first 100 units are charged according to first range limit 0 to 100 and the remaining 10 units are charged by the second price range according to this chart. Therefore, first 100 units multiplied by rupees 3.05 per unit plus remaining 10 units multiplied by rupees 6.95 per unit is equal to consumption amount or the electricity rate. So for 88 units, the electricity rate is this. Then wheeling charges of rupees 1.28 per unit are applied. These wheeling charges means the charges applied for the transmission of electricity through the transmission line. The transmission utility recovers these charges from distribution substation and distribution substations recovers them from consumers. Next are fuel adjustment charges. They are applied based on varying price of fuel, that is coal or nuclear fuel. These charges may increase or decrease depending on the current price of the fuel, and it is applied similarly as that of the electricity rate. Here in this table, the FAC is also mentioned for each range. For 0 to 100 units, 0.610 rupees per unit is applied, and above 101 to 300 units, 1.08 rupees per unit is applied. In this bill for 88 units, multiply by 0.610, so this much rupees are fuel adjustment charges. Lastly, electricity charges of 16% is applied to the total of above quantities, which in this case is rupees 83.96. Therefore, the total amount to be paid for the month is the addition of all the 5 quantities calculated and mentioned above. If there are any previous unpaid dues, they get added to current month's bill amount. This is how we read the residential electricity bill. Thank you.